Thanks for joining us as we learn how to use WorldBook. This is a great resource for articles, videos, pictures, and more to get reliable information quickly. Start by going to the library's website at tiptonpl.org. From here, you will see an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, or a hamburger as we like to call it. On a desktop computer, this will be in the upper right corner. On a mobile device, like a phone or tablet, it will be in the upper left. If you're on a mobile device, you will choose the Services option, and then select Online Databases. You will find the WorldBook link on that page. If you are on a desktop, you will select the WorldBook option toward the bottom of the right-hand column that appears. Click on WorldBook and you will be taken to a page that will require your library card barcode number. Input your number and hit the Sign In button. From here, you will see our WorldBook landing page. You can select any of the 6 options. Early Learning, which is for pre-K and early elementary age children. Kids, which is for older elementary and middle school students. Student, which is for high school and college students. Timelines, which includes timelines across time periods and broad topics. Discover, which is for students with language or learning disabilities. And Enciclopedia Estudiantil Hallazgos, which is for young Spanish-speaking students. Let's start by working with the Early Learning product. On the main page, you will see groups of videos, games, stories, and activities. Click on any of these or use the More button to see what else is available. When you do view more, you can narrow that result using the pictures along the top of the page. Adults can also click on the For Grown-ups option to find great education resources. Next, let's try the Kids product. Here you can select different options, such as activities, games, or science projects at the bottom of the page. You can also use the search box to find specific things, or use the Explore button for general topics. Articles will also have games, pictures, and even content standards for the adults. In the Student product, you will find a search box, as well as links to browse by subject, view maps, and read about current events or people. Articles will include media, links to related articles, and again, content standards for the adults. The Timelines product provides different types of timelines, such as notable people's lives and world history. You can search for timelines or choose one using the categories on the left. Once you've opened a timeline, you can click on events to find out more about them. Move forward and backward through time. Zoom in and out, or switch from a visual view to a list view. The Discover product for those with language and learning disabilities includes reference tools such as dictionaries, information about life skills, a search box, and category headings. There are also great WorldBook Explains videos about different subjects. Just like with some of the other products, there is also a curriculum correlation feature. The Enciclopedia Estudiantil Hallazgos is primarily for Spanish speakers. You can use the search box or browse by category, view activities, and read newspapers and magazines in Spanish. Again, thanks for learning about WorldBook with us. If you find yourself with questions this video didn't answer, please contact the Tipton County Public Library Director